guys.
No.
Hi. What? Ew.
Oh, this is our old toilet.
Look at it. Oh,
Look
look at the inside. Look at it.
What we bought this before we have this.
Look at it. I'm gonna go in there. Look at the dust.
We're gonna go in there. Why did you warn me?
What are you doing on my dryer? Oh,
Oh, shut up. It's just a dryer.
who are you?
Oh,
no.
Who's that behind you?
I don't know who he is. He just joined in here.
Oh.
He's may have been living. I've been kicked out of the house, so
Oh,
can you invite me back in? Why?
It's because it's somebody else's house. I forgot whose house it was.
It's this house over here, right next to us, bro.
Yeah, but who owns it? I don't know.
Beach ball, Eeyore.
Oh, I thought it was Cobra. Oh, I just really want that back in.
What?
Did you look too similar to it? Just look at your face.
Yeah, I snitched on you.
What did he do?
He ate all my. He ate all Beach Ball Eeyore's grapes.
Oh.
He doesn't really love his grapes, though.
Yeah, I love it. I love grapes too.
Yeah, I'll say your grapes.
Wait, what?
Just keep me in here, please. It's disgusting and moldy in here, but I like it.
Oh, I just wet my eye.
That's fine. It's so dusty and crusty in here. I don't even know how I live in here. But it's a good thing, it's a good place, but people start destroying it. How dare they?
Yeah, but they can't keep this on them. They can't keep this on our property. We've asked somebody to.
Public.
Yeah, literally on our property.
Who lives up there? Why?
I don't know. I don't think right now. I don't think he would live there though.
Ugh, gross. Got all that dust next to it.
Probably like bugs in there. You're probably living with bugs right now.
Oh no, there's some bugs in here. We've got a door, but that's all broken hatch off, so we can't get. Can you mind screwing it back on for me?
Okay.
And done. I fixed your thing.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you guys. Hello.
Who are you? Go away.
I'm putting. Ow.
No one cares. No one actually cares.
I'm nice to you, by the way.
No one cares. Okay, no, I'm going to go with you. Let me out! So mean. How are you nice?
Oh no, because you called me. Because you called me ugly, and nobody cares.
You know what? Let's go leave now.
No. No, this is my house. Oh,
Yes, you need to shut the door.
no. Hey, no.
Well, that's not your house.
No, it's in mine. Wait. Bye, guys.
Bye!
Oh, yeah, shut man. Meows.